Consider 2 times 2 times 2. There is a shorthand way of writing this, which is 2 with a power 3 above the 2. The 3 indicates that we have 3 2's in a row multiplied together. So following the same rule, 3 to the power 4 would be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 with 4 3's in a row. We could calculate this and find that it's 81. 4 to the power 1 is just 4. And 10 to the power 3, or 10 cubed as it's called, is 10 times 10 times 10, with 3 10's in a row, and calculating this gives us 1000. This one is quite important to remember. 4 to the power 1 is 4, so 4 is really 4 to the power 1. And this is the case with most everyday numbers that you meet. They should have a power of 1, but by convention we don't write down a power of 1. It's important when dealing with indices, however, to remember that the power of 1 is there.